Hello all, in this video we will be discussing about Leetcode problem number 58, that is length of last word. So as per the problem, you are given a string which consists of words and spaces and you have to return the length of the last word in the string. So say for example, you are given this complete sentence, you have to return the length of the last word, that is WORLD, which comes out to be 5. So you have to ignore these extra spaces also. So the logic can be simple as, first of all, since we have to look for the length of the last word, so we can scan the string from the back. This is the first point. Second, if any trailing spaces are there, we have to ignore them. So how we can do that? We can simply do it by keeping a variable count, which we can initialize at the start as 0. So once count is 0, that means we haven't read any characters till now and we have encountered spaces, then we can easily ignore them. Otherwise, if we encounter characters, then we can just do count plus plus. Okay. And once we encounter this space, we can terminate and we can return the count as the final answer. So let's go one by one. So say for example, here is a space and here is a space as well. I'm just starting I from the back. So say for example, I is this. Since my count is 0, so that's why, and I have encountered a space, I will not take any action for it and I'll ignore it. Second is, I will be decremented in the next pass. Since it is a character which is not a space, what I'll be doing count equal to count plus 1. And further I'll be decrementing I. Similarly, again I'll be reading a character, so it will be plus 1 again. For R, it will be plus 1 again, O plus 1, and W plus 1. So in each iteration, I'll be reading the number of characters, and now again I'll be encountering a space. This is the third condition, that is when I have encountered a space and count is not equal to 0, this means return count as the answer. So basically I am having count as 5, so I'll be returning the count as 5. So I hope the logic is clear. Let's look at the code now. As the logic is simple, so is the code. So here we have declared a variable of count equal to 0. Then we have started the loop from the back, and then if we have encountered a character in the string, then we are doing count plus plus. Otherwise, if count is greater than 0 and we have encountered a space, this means we have to return the count. Okay, so after you will run this loop, either it will return in between, or say for example, if there is only one word in the string, then this complete loop will be there, and at the end the count will be returned. So that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.